Want to clear all your ChatGPT conversations quickly, without deleting them one by one? In this video, I'll show you how to delete individual chats or remove your entire chat history. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Once the app opens, look toward the top left corner of the screen and tap on the two-line menu icon. This will open your full conversation history, where all your previous chats are stored. If you only want to remove a single conversation, find the chat you want to delete. Now, press and hold on that chat for a moment. A small menu will appear with different options. Tap on Delete after confirming. That conversation will immediately disappear from your history. But if you want to remove everything at once, here's the faster method. Tap on your profile picture or account name near the top corner of the app. This will open your account settings page. Now scroll down until you find Data Controls. Tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see different privacy and history settings related to your account. Look for the option called Delete All Chats. Tap on it once. The app will usually ask you to confirm. Tap Delete All Chats again to confirm. After a few moments, your entire chat history will be cleared, and that's it. Thanks for watching.